Okay, I've exchanged the coarse wheel for the fine wheel, and I thought I'd give you this view, if that's a bit more helpful. You can just, if you look very closely, can you see that little plate and nut sticking out in the middle of the fine wheel? That is how you exchange our wheels. And it gets a bit of getting used to. You've got to get your hands just around this narrow space in the sink. Take some practice. Okay, I'm going to come around. We're going to view the machine again. We need to set. Now this is going to be a trick. I'm going to try to do it by one hand. I've loosened the bolt. I'm bringing this over and I've moved it to one. Now I can feel the bolt here and I've tightened it on, and let's bring it back, and that is fine. That's fine. Give it another check and it's fast. It's going to tell us that this will nod by a duck, and we've set our micrometer for 710. Now I'm going to show you me moving that wheel on top of the surface of the samples by pushing it away from me, away. So let's go back to the machine and we'll watch that wheel move in to almost on top of the sample, almost on top. Now, in order to check that, let's go over and we're going to turn the machine on. We know we've put it on manual. So we'll switch it on. And just to make sure, I'm going to align a sample straight across from that wheel so we can see where we are. So I'll come to the sample holder button and I'm going to press that in. Let's come over here and I'm going to align it in front of the wheel. There you go. Now you can see we've still got a little bit of space to wind in. So I'm still winding that wheel away from me on the front of the machine, and you can get it right almost on top of that sample. There you go. And then again, press your sample holder and let's watch those samples move around. Is it a good distance? That's perfect. That's perfect distance. You wouldn't want it any closer. Let's come around to the front and let's have a look at those samples spinning. Here we go. I'll set you on the bench and we'll press that sample holder button and you're watching it go around manually now. And everything looks good. So we're ready to put the hood down, move the lamp away. Oh, caught my blade. Make sure the hood is down. And then we're going to move our tripod here. Put the sample or the machine to automatic. There you go. Our green button is back on. And we're going to start the machine. Let's listen.